Welcome back, smart shoppers! Today on Buy Smart, we're comparing two popular drones, the RADCLO mini drone and the CHUBORY super enduring brushless motor drone. Let's see which one takes off and which one falls flat. First up, let's talk about price. The RADCLO mini drone is priced at a wallet-friendly $62, making it an excellent choice for those who want to enjoy flying without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the CHUBORY super enduring brushless motor drone comes in at $149. It's a bit of a splurge, but it offers some advanced features that might justify the price for serious enthusiasts. Now onto the cameras. The RADCLO mini drone features a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens, perfect for capturing those memorable moments. Reviewers appreciate the decent image quality, especially considering the price. Meanwhile, the CHUBORY drone boasts a 2K HD camera with a 130 degrees wide-angle lens. If you're serious about aerial photography, reviewers say CHUBORY's superior camera quality is worth the investment. Battery life is crucial for any drone. The RADCLO mini drone offers 22 minutes of flight time with its two 800 mAh batteries, which is pretty good for casual use. However, the CHUBORY drone blows it out of the water with an impressive 84 minutes of flight time using its 3 upgraded batteries. Reviewers love the extended playtime, making it ideal for longer adventures. Ease of use is another important factor. The RADCLO mini drone is user-friendly with one-key takeoff/landing and stable altitude hold, making it great for beginners and even kids. Reviewers note how easy it is to set up and fly, making it a family favorite. The CHUBORY drone, on the other hand, comes loaded with advanced features like Follow Me, optical flow positioning, and trajectory flight. Although it has a steeper learning curve, reviewers find it highly rewarding for those willing to invest the time. When it comes to durability, the RADCLO mini drone includes a propeller guard and spare fan blades, which is great for beginners who might have a few crashes. Reviewers appreciate its durability, especially for its price. The CHUBORY drone steps it up with brushless motors and upgraded composite materials, making it robust enough to withstand more challenging conditions. Reviewers highlight its sturdiness and reliability, making it a solid choice for more demanding use. Overall, reviewers find the RADCLO mini drone to be a fun, affordable, and durable option, especially for beginners and casual users. Its ease of use and decent camera quality make it a popular choice for families. On the other hand, the CHUBORY super enduring brushless motor drone is praised for its superior camera quality, extended battery life, and advanced features. While it requires a higher budget and a bit more effort to master, it offers a highly rewarding experience for serious drone enthusiasts. So there you have it, smart shoppers. If you're on a budget and want a solid, easy-to-use drone, the RADCLO mini drone is your go-to. But if you're willing to splurge for top-notch features and insane battery life, the CHUBORY brushless motor drone is the king of the sky. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly smart, buy smart, and we'll see you in the next video.